Sharon from the Cordova Branch Library, and I wanted to show you an easy, fun craft that you can make a mask from. All you need is a coat hanger and some knee-high hose. Let's get started. While I'm bending the hanger, I'll tell you a little bit about masks. First, you bend the handle in so it doesn't catch on anything like that. Then you're going to take your hanger and kind of bend it into an oval shape. Now, masks you know for Halloween and for now, but masks are used for all kinds of things. At Carnival and at Mardi Gras, people wear masks just for fun. Or if they're going to a costume party, sometimes they wear a mask. In long, long ago days, masks were used in the theater. In fact, the most famous masks in the world are from the Greek theater. But we're going to make a mask that's a little different and a lot more fun. So I've bent the hanger into an oval shape. I've got my knee high, and I'm stretching it with my hands so I can fit it over the hanger. Now, once I get it over the hanger, I'll probably have to reshape the hanger, but that's okay. So I have the hose on now. I'm going to tie a little knot in the end so it doesn't come off, unless I want it to. There. Now, let me bend this top part out. There. How does that look? Does it look like a mask that you could use? You could also use it as a badminton racket with Nerf balls, but they're not doing that today. So once you have your mask and it's shaped the way you want, you can decorate it with anything you want to, with buttons or yarn or sequin or feathers. And I brought two to show you. Here's one with buttons and feathers, because you can never have too many feathers. And here's another one made with yarn and sequins and a few feathers. Remember, you can't have too many of them. You can make these any way you want to, and you can use them anytime you want to. You can use them for a play or playing outside, for Halloween, or just for having fun when you want to pretend you want to do something else. That's the easy thing to do, and remember, it only took one coat hanger and a knee high. And that's all there is to it, making a costume mask. There we go.